Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw F for frog. So let's get started. While I'm making the letter F, you can also fill the form given in the description box below to tell us your favorite cartoon character that we can draw in future. Enjoy the video. We will start with making two inverted U shape for the eyes of frog and join the middle line in between them, and we will make a small semicircle shape for the face of the frog. Now we will make the eyes, so make a small circle inside that U shape in both the sides. Now again the small circle inside the eyes. Now make the smiley face. Now for the body, we will make two curved lines, semi-curved lines from the mid of the face, and then make the feet like this, and then make the inverted U shape again. Similarly, again make the two inverted U shape from the side of the frog to make the legs. Now let's color the drawing. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video, and also